Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do a horizontal double half hitch knot. I'm going to show you two different versions. The first version is using the cords that are already attached to your stick or your dowel. Just like double half hitch knot, you're going to use the outermost cord as your lead cord. You're going to make sure that you're pulling it in the horizontal direction exactly where you want it. To tie the double half hitch, you cross in front of your lead cord, pass behind, and as you're tightening the knot up, make sure that your lead cord is in the direction you want it to be. Continue double half hitch knots with each cord in the row. The second technique for horizontal double half hitch is using a cord that isn't already attached to your project. This cord is going to be your lead cord. The first knot can be a little bit tricky, but you're going to take this cord, pass it over to the left, around your lead cord, making sure to be at the level that you want. Take that same cord, pass it around, and then this is where you're going to pass the cord through this hole that you've created. Pull it through and tighten it up against your lead cord to create the first double half hitch knot. From here on, it's a little bit easier, and you just use the next cord in line to complete more double half hitch knots. Now that you've created your row, you have two extra cords. You have a couple of options. You could cut it short and tuck it into the knots around the back, or put a little bit of glue around the back so that they don't become part of your project. Or you could incorporate it into the rest of your project.